Welcome to Stock Talk. This is your host, Scott. Hope you had a good couple of days of trading. We had a pretty good day yesterday. Today was a little red, but overall we started the week real strong yesterday with a good jump in NVAX, and of course it pulled back a little bit today. Bitcoin has been on fire as well, but of course we're not holding any of those Bitcoin stocks right now. But do not adjust your set. The screen is not frozen. Again, I'm still healing from some surgery I had across the nose area, so I'll try to get back to normal here pretty soon, maybe next week. But did want to go over the portfolio the first couple of days here and talk about our trade that we made today in NVAX, and then just kind of take a look at how things are doing this week so far. All right, so let's go ahead and jump over there. Should be a pretty quick video tonight, so let's go ahead and jump over to our portfolio. And here is our portfolio. As you can see, I do list Moderna first just to keep track on how that relates to NVAX. So we had a red day on both of them today. And the only thing really green today was our Bitcoin. And of course, we don't hold it here, but I do hold Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of our stocks. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin to show you how that impacts our stocks. But it did pull back a little bit today, but it has been on a tear here lately. You can see just a few days ago, Saturday, we were at the 60,000 mark. Now we're up to 67. We'd actually hit, I think it was 68 something. Yeah, 68,530, all-time high. So a new high just the other day. That would have been on Tuesday, sometime today. So it actually hit the all-time high today and then pulled back a little bit towards the end of the day. I actually did make a little trade during that as far as cryptos go. Maybe we'll start talking about those one day, but right now we'll stick to the stocks on this channel. All right, MSTR is tied to Bitcoin. You can see here this thing has been on a tear lately as well, along with the Bitcoin. And we'll just take a look at that 5-day chart. You can see it's very similar, how it's jumped up there and held up pretty good. So that's going to follow that Bitcoin. Whatever it does, this is going to do because they hold so many of them in their treasury. So Michael Saylor is CEO of that. He's a big time Bitcoin person. So Hut is a Hut 8 mining corporation, Bitcoin miner. You can see they started out the morning up today as well, and then sold off as Bitcoin pulled back a little bit. But 5-day chart there, similar. So of the two right now, probably the best one to go for would be this one here. It's a little high for sure, but you might could play something like this if Bitcoin were to have a really good day. You'd see it turn green from here. So, but $15 is way up there for this one. So we'll see how that does. All right, going back here, let's see. Here's NVAX. Today, it started out a little red pre-market. And didn't do much after that. But let's take a look at the 5-day chart. You'll see yesterday had a pretty good day. Opened up higher in the morning and just worked its way towards the high all day long. So very good day yesterday. As you can see here, it opened at 167, but the previous close was 173. So started the day down and did pretty good. But I actually made a trade on this one today. I bought at 165. Let's see where that was. Somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere in this area here. I bought at 165 and sold later on at 170, which would have been right up in here somewhere. Yeah, so we sold, bought at 165, sold at 170. Now, what I'm actually doing, again, we talked about this before, I'm actually selling some of these higher price shares in $NVAX. And improving my cost average, which my cost average now, even though I made like a few $100s on that trade today, my actual thing was a loss because I'm selling high price shares and swatting them out for these lower price. But for the day, it looked like a good trade, okay? But it actually was taking a loss. But getting cheaper shares, improving my cost average. And my cost average now is around $201, I think. So, because I was in there pretty high. But we've got a lot of confidence in this one. we're going to hang on to it until it turns up and gets to that anywhere from 270 to 300. We'll probably start selling, but it will get there. I have a feeling it will get there as long as they can get some more approvals. Now that's what we're waiting on. I think something like an approval in India or Australia, Europe, any of that, UK, that would be a big deal. So we'll see if it comes about. That's got a lot of applications out there now. That was progress, and now we're just waiting for those approvals, and they could come any day, unannounced. So that's why you got to be in it, because you can't wait till the announcement comes out and then get in it, because it will have already jumped. Of course, you could play the momentum if you wanted to, but I don't like to do things like that. I'd rather be in it when it takes off. All right, so that's what we're doing there. No, Tilray managed to fight it to get back to the green today. It had a pretty good day yesterday, along with everything else, and so very good start to the week for the portfolio. As did Nikola. Nikola gave back a little bit today, but it had a pretty good move yesterday as well. You can see here. Didn't give much of it back, so we're happy about that. But a good start. Again, a good start to the week. We're going to continue to do what we've been doing as far as NVAX goes. We're going to continue to try to make those day trades like we've been doing, and just swapping these shares out, go ahead and taking those losses for now. But hopefully by the end of the month, let's see, what we got. We got 30 days probably in this month, and so we got 3 more weeks for this big news to come out. So if it were to come out, we may end up, selling some for a profit, which will erase these losses that we're taking. Hopefully, that's the game plan. If not by the end of this month, definitely by the end of the year. So, but we'll wait. If it takes longer than that, we'll wait, and that's what we'll do. But I appreciate you watching the video. It's going to keep it short today, and we'll get back on here Friday after the market closes if I can, and we'll talk about how we did the rest of the week. But if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button, and go ahead and join us if you would. And don't forget to hit the like button, and have a great rest of your week. Thanks. Bye.